Happy Thursday, everyone, and thanks for checking in as we take a look at your national coast-to-coast forecast. We're going to continue these rain and snow chances in the eastern U.S. over the next few days. Better chance of rain and thunder as you head from the Tennessee Valley down into the Gulf Coast states. Should stay mostly sub-severe, but better chances of snow as you head closer to the Great Lakes, the northern Ohio Valley, and into the northeast. And then turning our attention to the west coast, it turns very wet with some high elevation snow and some pretty decent moisture throughout parts of California. And then warm and thundery in the central U.S. next week. And this is going to be a byproduct of some of the active weather in the western U.S. So here's our first clipper. Again, some rain and or snowfall drifting through the Ohio Tennessee Valley down to the Gulf Coast states. Here by Thursday night, early Friday morning, snowfall potential increasing in some spots to the mid-Atlantic and the Northeast. Quickly, that system rolls east. Here comes our next clipper diving through the upper Mississippi Valley. Looks like the snowfall potential with this one looks a little farther north into the Arrowhead of Minnesota, the Great Lakes, and then kind of drifting down into the eastern Great Lakes. Some showers and thunderstorms potentially into the central U.S. over the course of the weekend. But look at all this moisture over a 5-day period. Southern California could see some isolated 1 to 2 inch amounts of liquid. Once you get from the Bay Area, the Sierra Nevada range, Northern California, we're talking maybe 6 to 10 inches plus of liquid. Certainly some high elevation snow there, and then the precip continues in the Pacific Northwest. But look at all that heavy snowfall through the Sierra Nevada range, Northern Cascades, a little bit of snow through the Rockies there, and then of course some snowfall drifting through the Great Lakes, the Ohio Valley. Not a terrible amount. The temperature trend looking pretty mild still in the eastern half of the country through middle portions of the month, and looking at those cooler temperatures still to remain today in the eastern half of the country. But this is that big bubble of warmth that we're going to be dealing with here on this Thursday of anywhere from 10 to almost 15 degrees above average. 88 in Phoenix, 68 in Denver. A little bit cooler along the eastern seaboard with some of that rain, snow, and even some thunder, mainly down to the south.